Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you in our very popular tutorial series Zero to Hero in its episode number 53 in English version. Those who are interested to watch these tutorials in Hindi, there is a separate playlist on the channel in Hindi section which you can refer to. So friends, we are going to discuss very important topic, especially those who are very sincere to make a career in stock market or financial market. We are going to share with you 8 top books on technical analysis of financial market. Although on a screen you are watching word mentioned stock market, but technical analysis is a method which is used to analyze the financial market, whether it is stock market, commodity market, currency pairs or bond markets. It doesn't matter. Friends, we have created online bookstore in collaboration with Amazon, where we have planned to put the all top books on stock market, technical analysis and self-development in this online store in collaboration with Amazon, for which the link is available in the description box of this video, which you can click on and visit our store, and all those top books which are good read are available in this store. However, today I am going to share with you only 8 books which are top recommended books and are also available in online store, for which the link is given in the description box. So friends, subscribe the channel, enable the notification bell so that you remain notified all the time for upcoming uploads. Let's begin to understand what are those top 8 books. So friends, we have always been emphasizing that we had a very clear mission when we launched this channel, and we wanted to be the most admired educational in stock market and its analysis. And in the process, we are doing everything step by step which is required to make it a most admired educational channel across the nation, reaching out to the people for free education in the remotest possible city so that people watching this channel can learn stock market and its technical analysis and be a successful trader with proper risk management. So in any profession, to be successful, the important thing is to learn that subject. If we venture into any kind of profession without having knowledge and skill, we are bound to fail. And that is the biggest problem with majority of the people. They quickly want to jump into trading or investing in a stock market, which is very, very risky. And they enter the market without having concept of analyzing the market. At the same time, they do not have any idea about as to how risk can be managed in a proper fashion. So, in earlier video also I have told that there are only 3 methods to learn effectively. What are those? Read. When we read books, we all know. Just apply and think about when you all were in school or colleges. What we used to do? We used to read the books. The second is listen. We go to the classroom, listen to our teachers, lecturer, professors, and accordingly we used to learn. Now, third is whenever there is a doubt, we used to ask our teachers, our lecturer, professors, or maybe the senior who has the good knowledge about that particular subject. So friends, there are primarily 3 methods, and we have been focusing since we have launched this channel In June 2019, we launched Zero to Hero tutorial series. Then we launched 8 PM Sunday Bite. Then we launched Know Your Stocks. Then we came to the live streaming platform so that we can analyze on the live market or in a live session any stock suggested by the person, so that you can understand that I am not coming to analyze after having prepared that analysis. The purpose was that analysis is not a rocket science. It is a matter of sincere learning. Some people complain that the videos under Zero to Hero are very large. My dear friends, when you become an engineer, you study for 4 or 5 years. Become a doctor, study for 7 or 8 years. Can't we watch a 1 hour video, 70, 80 videos on this channel, which means 70, 80 hours in a single watching? So whole purpose was to make it, and we always knew that 80-20 rule will apply as it applies everywhere. 20% people would be sincere enough to learn the subject, 80% would take it very casually despite the entire courses available free of cost, which can save them 1.5 lakhs to 2 lakhs rupees. So friends, listen, audio visual system of learning is supposed to be one of the best methods of learning any subject. And so Zero to Hero serves this purpose. We have launched Zero to Hero in Hindi, we have launched in English, so that you can choose the language which you want to prefer for learning the subject, where step by step all the tutorials are provided under the separate playlist Zero to Hero on this channel for structured learning. So this becomes the part of listening aspect of learning. Here I would say watching and listening. And then asking. You can ask the question in the comment section of that particular video which you have watched under Zero to Hero, wherever there is a confusion. So asking aspect is covered in the comment section. Besides that, we have launched a membership program in collaboration with YouTube under the category Silver, Gold and Diamond, so that you can connect directly with me for one-to-one learning and one-to-one questioning. Even the comments given in the section are given a priority for answering in the channel, those who are the members of the channel. However, all the questions which you put in the comment section of a video, even if you are not a member of the channel, you are only a subscriber of the channel, we tend to reply very sincerely as possible. Those who have been watching these tutorials might have experienced that. And if you have experienced that, we are quite sincere to attend to the queries of the viewers. Please do comments under the comment section of this video so that others can also see and learn as to how these free tutorials can help them to make a good technical analyst and good technical trader. Now in today's session, we are going to cover and give you the recommendation of some of the books. So Zero to Hero is the listening and watching aspect. Membership program is asking aspect. Comments section in the YouTube channel under the specific video is a asking aspect, while books we are recommending today are the reading aspect. And in the process, what we have done, we have launched now an online book store also in collaboration with Amazon, where we will be listing the books which are recommended and good books, so that you only buy those books which are good and recommended. Need not to buy all the books. Some of the books I have already shared during various tutorial. I have shown you also during the video which I read those books, and I have learned by reading those books and then practicing on the price chart. So today we are going to cover 8 recommended books. those who are interested to visit the online store created in collaboration with Amazon, there is a link provided in the description box of this video, which you can click and visit the store. So let's move ahead to take one by one book, which are those 8 recommended books, and what are the topics they emphasize when you learn by reading these books. So friends, the first book which I truly love is Technical Analysis Explained by Martin J. Pring. Friends, I have been referring this book since long. Even I had made one open session during live streaming of Ask DK on one of the Sundays, where we discussed about the different market phases, different types of market trends. It was inspired by the chapter given in this particular book. So this book is one of my favorite book, which I am going to share with you, and this book is contains very exhaustive information on core concepts of technical analysis. Secondly, the most important aspect is to understand the psychology of the market, because ultimately it is important for an analyst to understand the psychology behind different kind of formation on the price chart, to have the holistic understanding of the market actions, or we call it a price action. And those price actions are created by the participants of the market, buyers and sellers. The moment we understand the psychology of buyers and sellers, we are likely to be more accurate in our analysis. And this book covers also market mechanics, so that it explains the how it happens is not important, why it happens is more important. The why rather than how is very important. Majority of the people who do not understand the subject of analysis, they talk about how rather than they talk about why this action has taken place by correlating the earlier price action on the price chart. This book is quite easy to understand, so it's my favorite book. It has been explained each and everything, the core concept of technical analysis, in very easy language which anybody can understand. So the second book is Technical Analysis of Financial Market by John Murphy. He is one of the very popular authors in the world. And friends, this book is an introduction to technical analysis and how to act on the basis of inputs of technical analysis. So it gives the actionable insights as well. Mr. Murphy has become a leading voice in the world for technical analysis and is highly skilled at explaining the things which are very easy, despite the topics being complex, but he makes it so easy so that everybody can understand. The next recommended book is How to Make Money in Stocks by William O'Neill. In one of the videos I had referred his name and some of the studies which he has done, over 100 years of market studies. Means he has studies the data of over 100 years in the market, and then he presented those studies which I have shared in one of the videos in probably Hindi section of Zero to Hero. Friends, this book is a classical work on technical analysis. O'Neill is probably one of the strongest advocate for technical analysis who has presented this book after studying data of 100 years in the market. In this book, he has presented wide range of technical strategies and important insights for minimizing the risk and finding proper entry and exit points. So this book is probably is more of a practical aspect than the theoretical aspect. You might recall knowledge is important, but when you are able to apply the knowledge, then only you make money. In order to apply the knowledge, you need to have the skill. And this book talks about the skill. So one single book may not be enough if you want to create a library at your house on stock market technical analysis. So one is the thread. One has to be very strong in theory, and then to learn as to how theory can be applied in actual market condition for a consistent profit in the stock market or financial market. Friends, another good book is Getting Started in Technical Analysis by Jack Swagger. This book practically is an introduction to the technical analysis, the very basics of it, and then friends, chart patterns including important indicators, and friends, it also deals in with developing trading strategies and trading plans so that it can be implemented to generate consistent profit. So friends, another book is Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns by Thomas N. Bulkowski. This is also a very favorite book of mine. You might have seen many a times I refer these books and might have discussed these books in many videos on this channel. This book is an encyclopedia created by the author after having studied over 35,000 charts. So this book is a truly, in true sense, is an encyclopedia that contains an exhaustive list of price patterns with statistical overview of how various patterns have performed over the years in predicting future price actions. So if a double bottom has formed, he has given the variants of double bottom, double top, variants of double bottom, and double bottom in which condition could be successful 65% of the time, sometimes 68% of the time. So all these things help an analyst and a trader to understand, yes, pattern fails, and hence risk management is key to the success. Technical analysis will give an edge in the market. To time the market well, to make an entry in the market in value zone, and then exercising the risk management position sizing will help to generate consistent profit. So this book gives the statistical aspect of various kind of patterns in different market conditions, uptrending market, downtrending market, markup phase, markdown phase, the success rate of various kind of patterns, which is elaborated after having studied over 35,000 charts. Friends, another popular book is Trading for a Living by Dr. Alexander Elder. He was a medical professional who has authored this book, and this book basically deals into market psychology because he himself was a medical professional, psychiatrist and psychologist, trading methods and money management aspect of it. So this is also a very popular book across the globe. Another recommended book is Japanese Candlestick Charting Techniques by Steve Nissen. This is one of the very old books which is quite popular across the world. And friends, candlestick charting used in technical analysis has been explained so well in this book. He is probably known to be given introduction of candlestick to the West. We all know the origin of candlestick is from Japan, from the rice traders. They used to use candlesticks long back. Candlestick patterns has been dealt very well in this book. He was a very popular trainer for institutional investors, investment banking firms. So he is a big name across the world who has introduced Japanese candlestick to the West. So friends, 8th book in today's tutorial, a very good book, Technical Analysis Using Multiple Time Frame Analysis by Brian Shannon. Friends, you might have seen my personal approach on this channel when I do the technical analysis. We have done 300, 400 analysis on this channel up till now, since we started the channel in June 2019. And the common approach is to adopt top-down approach, multiple time frame technical analysis and price action analysis, so that we can in a better way fine-tune the price action analysis in different time frames. Because different time frames, the traders or investors have a different account capitalization. Their capitalization is different. Their account size is different. So it reflects the psychology of different kind of market participants in different time frame. So if you adopt the approach of multiple time frame analysis, your chances to be more accurate is greatly high. So this particular book talks about the multiple time frame analysis, technical analysis, to find out the high probability trades through multiple time frame analysis, which the practice which we adopt very commonly on this channel during our live streams and during other videos that we upload on this channel. I hope, my friends, there is some value addition in you. Do like this video. When you like our video, it gives me motivation, which is a source of energy for me. Share this video among your social base so that other people also get benefit out of regular these kind of tutorials on this channel, and in the process they become part of your family and my family, our learning circle group. And friends, subscribe the channel, enable the notification bell so that you remain notified for upcoming uploads. Friends, I would be expecting your comments in the comment section of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meet you very soon.